Hello, it's the 28th of March 2021 and we're going camping tomorrow. But before that, we have to fix a couple of things with the tent. One of the rods of the tent is kind of split a little bit and we have to repair it. Here at Anaconda, we get the replacement rod. We're gonna get a replacement pole for our tent, which is a pretty small one. And then now we see this. The high tower mansion 8-person tent. You can actually stand inside. Yeah, you can actually stand inside. And this is pretty much the Ritz, man. You can stand full height. And it's got its own little... Wait, it's connected. Anyway, in your bedroom, you can have a bedroom, and this is your living room with a nice walk-in closet. Oh no, it's not a walk-in closet, but yeah, this is the Ritz, man. Alright, maybe we don't need to replace these. We can just get a new tent. What do you say? Yep, this can be opened. That's the window inside. This is the outside cover. We have the repair kit. This is, I don't know how much this costs. It's probably going to be about 30 bucks. This is the repair kit. It's got the ferrule here, the different sizes that we can use to repair this bit here. Or we can also get a replacement rod. This is about $30 roughly, and this is about 18 bucks. That huge ass tent over there is 240 bucks, 220 bucks.
229.
So it's really tempting. That's the brake. Pushed it out. You can take the ends and try to undo the knot. This is the replacement rod, and this is the rod that's cracked. So all we need to do now is to put both rods together, and the replacement rod is longer than the damaged rod. We just need to know where to saw the replacement rod to find it the same length as the broken rod. Put it on the mitre box. Wear your mask. And start sewing. Slicing of the rod was a success. You should wear gloves when you do this. We get a bit of glue and we're just gonna coat the end with the glue so that the splinters will be kind of trapped underneath, and so it doesn't start to fray as time goes by. Make sure you just put the glue at the edges. Don't cover the hole. And there's the new one right next to the old one that's cracked. Now that the glue has dried at the edge, we're just sanding the edge. So that it's nice and smooth. Oh no, it's okay. It's good. Woohoo! Careful. this is what we did. We glued 3 of these sticks together, and the other end is kind of stuck to the string using the masking tape. Masking tape is the magical tape of our lives. We got it through. All we need to do is thread it through the rest. What was that knot again?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. So yes, that's the way you replace a defective rod with a replacement rod. Or you could save yourself a bunch of trouble and just buy a new tent. Thank you.